Hello kids! Today we learn some new and interesting. Are you ready? Let's go! Month of year.
January,
January,
Yay!
February,
February,
Yay!
March,
March,
Yay!
April,
April,
Yay!
May.
May,
Yay!
June.
June,
Yay!
July.
July,
Yay!
August.
August,
Yay!
September.
September,
Yay!
October.
October,
Yay!
November.
November,
Yay!
December.
December.
Yay!
Congratulations kids! You have learned some new and interesting names.